Hi all UPS APC1600SI, which is very expensive one, and I expect it not to burn so quickly. After 2.5 years, not under warranty anymore, there was short electricity stops, and then a lot of smoke and very bad smell. You can see here exploded, probably MOSFET. So I need now to disassemble and see if this is fixable at all. But before taking this off, the best way will be, of course, to disconnect all the wires and to take a picture of the colors and everything, because some of them you can flip, for example on the coil. I don't think it is really matter because this is AC here, but other than this you have here all the connectors, so you would probably want to take a photo as I'm doing now to make sure that I'm not doing any mistake later when connecting everything. So pick few different angles, take a good picture, and then it will be easier to take just the main board out without all the other parts, and easier to work on. Okay, don't forget one more picture after taking this board off. Most of the wire, you just pull them gently and they will come off pretty quickly. As you can see, all this part is now off, and what is left is just those. Just pull them. You have to use some force, some of them, yeah, just do it gently, not to break the part in the PCB. If you have some troubles, you can use pliers, okay, like I'm doing now. But again, try to do it very gently. The only thing that is left now on the main PCB is these big wires, these hex screws. I will find, and not doing it with a motor tool, just by hand, because again you don't want to break anything. So I will use now a tool, doing it again with screwdriver, not with automatic tool. I don't want to break anything, so pretty easy, and you're using the correct tools. So in order not to, you will lose it, I'm just putting it back without the wires. Yeah. Yeah, I think that now this board should go off. There are more wires here. These are solder or what? This is the battery, so I can maybe take it out. There are fuse here that were not burned. All the board was on fire, and the fuse, are the things that are never burned. Okay, so you have now clips, as you can see on the side, and I have now the positive. The positive is still connected here, so I can maybe take it around, yeah, just like this, and the board is off. Do you see how it looks? Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. I can never even try to figure what was the value. I will of course have to clean everything, take it off. The capacitor is not really burned. I think this is the fire that was going on from the MOSFET. So yeah. Okay, so since this is totally burnt out, so the question is if all these MOSFET are the same. I cannot tell, but if I will take this off and I will see that this one is equal to this one and to this one, so probably they're all the same. If these are n-channel MOSFET, they should all be the same. I will of course have to clean everything very good, and if I have luck and this is the only problem and nothing else was made to the other circuit here, I will have a luck to fix this out. Okay, so this is the burn MOSFET. The number is IRFB7440, and this is 40 volt, 2 milliohm and 172 amp. What I also want to show that you need to clean very good the PCB, because there were many marks of burn that you must clean, because all this black is not just that it is black, it is conductive, and you need to remove all the marks of the conductive flame that burn the PCB and all the part, because if they are conductive it can ruin of course the circuit and do some very serious failures. So you need to, I'm using profile 100% and brushing it very good. You can use also other brushes in order to make sure that everything is clean. You see, black, very black. The black sign is not a good sign, it's a very bad one. Okay, so I am now cleaning also the surface of the plastic of the capacitor, because there was a lot of smoke when it burned. Hopefully it will be good. By the way, all the MOSFET looks the same. So these are probably n-channel. It is not written, but it should be n-channel. Oh, it's not written that it is n-channel. Brushed motor drive application, BLDC, half bridge, full bridge topologies, and yeah, it is n-channel, although I don't see. You can maybe search for the VGS, yeah, and the VGS is positive, so it is n-channel MOSFET. Now I need to order this, and then I will close everything. By the way, I also disconnected the capacitor and the holder of the MOSFET in order to clean beneath, because it was very dirty again from flames. And after I clean it, of course, I will put everything back and then test it. So thank you for now, and bye.